Today, we will show you how to replace your pump motor assembly on this Frigidaire dishwasher. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. The main reason why you'd be replacing your pump motor assembly is if the unit will not wash, or it could be making a loud grinding noise during wash. Now, if you need to, make sure to uninstall your dishwasher and let's begin the repair. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Well, we went ahead and uninstalled the dishwasher for video purposes so you can see exactly what's going on down here. But we do have clear access to the sump assembly. Now, if you want to test it for voltage, all you need to do is unhook this here and test for 120 volts when you are trying to get voltage. It's best to do this when it is plugged in, as the Molex is directly right here in the front. But in order to take out the sump motor, if the motor is bad, it is probably advised to uninstall it, as you do have two screws directly on the bottom here that'll have to come out, and you'll have to have enough clearance to slide this out. So we'll take these two T20 screws out. Make sure you use a hand screwdriver. Do not use a drill, as the anchors that it goes into is just plastic. So we'll take these out. Once we have these out, you will start to slide out on this holding bracket. Set this down. Now when you're pulling out the motor, be very careful with it. You might have to give it a little bit of a twist in order to kind of pull it out. You'll pull out the motor and set it to the side. When installing your new motor, you will want to put it in the same way that you took it out. And that's going to be with the wiring harness pointing up. So we'll get it into place, start sliding it in. You may have to give it a little bit of a twist. We'll get it directly into place. Next, when reinstalling your holding plate, make sure you push in on the sump, slide it in, and then there's one portion where it kind of goes into a little notch here. This will hold it directly where your screws need to be lined up and inserted. We will insert the first one and tighten it up. Insert the second one. Reinstall the wiring harness. Next, if you need to, reinstall the dishwasher, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.